In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the big jaws in Subnautica 2. So what you want to do is you want to make your way towards south around 195-ish. So over here where I'm facing. So let me go ahead and demonstrate by going out of the pod. So you just want to make your way south over here and keep on going there. I also want to apologize if my device is lagging significantly. Unfortunately, Subnautica 2 really does take a major toll on my device, but then eventually you will see this like structure over here. You'll notice that there's like wreckage. And that's how you know you are on the right path. So once you see the wreckage, you just want to swim past it. Now, keep in mind that you may need to go up in the water, and it is somewhat far, not really too far. You still are able to get to it pretty early on in the game. And I'm going to attempt to refrain from cutting this video too much so that you're able to see the entire path. But keep on making your way here. You'll notice that there's going to be like deep ocean and stuff like that, and another wreckage. So once you see this wreckage, you just want to go ahead and go past it right here. Just keep on going past it. And then eventually you'll notice that we'll get like more structures and stuff like that. So just keep on going here. And then eventually you should see it. And then to your right, you should see the giant jaws right over here. So here is how it does look like. And from here, you're able to make your way inside and begin harvesting all the precious resources and materials. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.